Whether you are considering becoming a part of our Hempworx family or you've already taken the leap, we want you to understand how you will be paid, because this is key to maximizing your earning potential while giving you the power to offer others hope and freedom in this exploding industry. Let's walk you through the multiple ways you can be paid as an affiliate through Hempworx. Getting started with Hempworx is actually quite simple. You're going to choose from any of these 3 entry packages. While the suggested retail price for most of our products is $89, when you select from any of these packages from our website, you are going to get the benefit of discounted pricing. Simply pay an additional $20 more and you upgrade to an affiliate status and you can open your new business. A website, business tools, and training are all included. Unlike many companies where you have to organically build your team volume before you promote and rank, Hempworx offers a unique opportunity to join the company at any of their first 3 ranks. What this does is it allows you to maximize your profit from day one. The higher the package you choose, the higher your compensation potential. If you consider yourself to be a business builder, we absolutely recommend that you choose the executive package, as it allows you to start at the highest initial pay level. At this rank, you earn commission on 50% of the BV of all your initial sales of customers and team members that you personally enroll, as well as additional commissions in your next 3 levels. Not only is it risk-free to try because of our 30-day money-back guarantee, but it's this simple. While most new business investments take years before you turn a profit, we show you how you can do this in your first month. As you can see here, the higher your rank, the higher your income potential. What this means is your first step to success is going to be to decide how much money you want to make when you introduce someone to the products or into the business. Ask yourself, when you sell an executive package, do you want to make $120 or $200? Before we launch into the nuts and bolts of our compensation plan, here are a few terms you are going to want to be familiar with. A customer is anyone who places an order for products, but an affiliate is someone who's paid that one-time fee of $20 to start a business with MyDailyChoice or Hempworx. Business volume, also known as BV, is a commissionable value that is assigned to products that are offered by our company. Just note that BV is not equal to the dollar amount of those products. And finally, affiliates are required to reinvest in their business on a reoccurring monthly basis in order to remain eligible to receive their commissions and maintain their active status. What this does is it gives you products to have on hand to sell and also products for you to use yourself. Affiliate reorders should be placed by the 25th of every month, and affiliates should place an order at least every 60 days so they do not risk losing their team. While auto ship is not required, it is highly recommended. To hold rank and qualify for commissions, builders must personally maintain 40 BV monthly, which is one $69 Hempworx product, and all other ranks must maintain 90 BV monthly. You can purchase a combination of any of these products to meet your minimum monthly BV requirement. All right, so let's jump into the details of Hempworx and MyDailyChoice's incredibly lucrative compensation plan. This compensation plan is unique because part of the compensation plan pays out as a unilevel and part of it is paid as a binary. In case you aren't familiar with the 2 compensation structures, we will define both as we break this down for you. A unilevel structure is based on who you bring into the business and who your personal team brings in. Hempworx pays up to 10 levels deep on their unilevel structure payout. When you personally enroll Susie, Matt, and Lynn, they're going to each be your level 1s. The people they enroll will be your level 2s, and the people they enroll will be your level 3s, and so on. If you bring only 5 people into the business and each person on your team duplicates that, you will soon see how quickly your team and your paycheck will grow. So the first way you're going to get paid is through Jumpstart bonuses, which is paid as a unilevel payout. When a customer or affiliate makes their very first purchase, you're going to earn a Jumpstart bonus based on your current rank and what they purchased. As you excel through the ranks, you earn higher percentages on your Jumpstart bonuses, and those bonuses come from more levels under you. With a weekly payout, the Jumpstart bonuses can generate a lot of upfront income and provide you with a boost of energy and excitement to help you continue building that long-term residual income. For example, when you enroll one executive and one director and they duplicate your results, this is what your compensation could look like just from Jumpstart bonuses. The more you're able to repeat these actions and the higher your rank, the faster your paycheck will grow. So now let's talk about this binary structure. This part of the compensation plan helps create fast growth by promoting a supportive culture because it allows you and your teammates to build collective volume and everyone benefits. The binary component of this compensation plan also gives you the ability to be paid commissions on an infinite number of levels in your team. To qualify for this compensation, you are going to be building two teams, your right leg and your left leg. When each person places their first order as a customer or as an affiliate, you get paid those Jumpstart bonuses, and then they are immediately placed in one of the two legs in your binary tree where you will have the opportunity to get paid on their reorders. As long as that customer or affiliate places an order at least every 60 days, they actually hold their place in your tree, and volume that's placed under them accumulates month after month. One of your binary legs is actually shared with your sponsor, which can contribute to larger business volume under you, as he or she is also building that leg, and you get to help your team in the same way. Unlike many other binary plans in the industry, as long as you stay active, your team's unpaid binary volume does not expire at the end of the month. It actually rolls over and you continue building on it. In this example, we show you what your team could look like if your sponsor put you on her right leg and you added an executive and a director on each leg and taught each one to duplicate that plan. To truly maximize your growth, we encourage you to set a goal to enroll 2 executives and 2 directors each month. Doing this and teaching your team to duplicate it will lead to rapid business growth and rank advancement. Now let's talk about how binary commissions get paid. In order to receive your monthly binary commission, you must be binary qualified by personally reinvesting 40 BV as a builder or 90 BV as any other rank into your business every month. You must have at least 90 BV in reorders from personally enrolled affiliates in each leg and have a minimum of 300 BV in reorders in your lesser producing leg. As you can see in this example, once you are binary qualified, you get paid a percentage of the total volume in your lesser leg. The higher your rank, the higher the percentage you will be paid. You can get paid up to 20% on your lesser leg, and we are one of the few companies in the world that has an earning potential of $1 million a month through binary commissions. The next way you get paid is through leadership check matching. This is where you really start to grasp the phenomenal power of this particular compensation plan and what truly sets it apart from others that are out there. This part of the compensation plan is paid as a unilevel, and it's designed to reward leaders who are working hard to grow their teams. So as you help your team grow their own binary paychecks, you can earn a percentage of their binary paycheck up to 10 levels deep. So in our example here, if you enroll person A, they're going to be your level 1, and if they get a monthly binary commission of $1,000, you're going to earn 30% of that amount. If person A enrolled person B and they earned a binary commission of $1,000, you earn 20% because they're your level 2. And it should be noted that in order for someone to be earning a $1,000 monthly commission, their team in your paycheck would actually be much larger than what's represented in this simple example. Hempworx also incentivizes through the global bonus pool. Every month you have the opportunity to earn a piece of the total company revenue globally, and anyone can earn shares through personal enrollments and rank advancements. The company sets aside 2% of our total company revenue each month and pays that amount out to those who qualify. Next up, let's talk about rank advancements and bonuses. Your personal volume and that of your team is what will propel you through the ranks. With each new rank you reach, your achievement is celebrated with these amazing bonuses, all the way up to $100,000 in cash paid in one lump sum. So this next chart breaks down what is required to achieve and advance through the ranks. Please note that each time you personally enroll an affiliate, you actually are opening up a new enrollment tree leg because they are going to build a new tree under you. So to achieve a rank, you can't have more than 50% of your total enrollment tree volume from any single enrollment tree leg. For example, to achieve 5K affiliate, you can't have more than 2,500 in BV from one enrollment tree leg. But wait, there's more. After you promote and maintain your rank, you will join the Auto Club and will have the opportunity to drive away in the car of your dreams, or you can give yourself an upgrade to a business expense account to help expand your business without spending out of pocket. Or, even better, keep the cash and use it for whatever you desire. As we wrap this up, we encourage you to review these important takeaways so you set yourself up for success. If you still have questions, please reach out to the person who invited you to watch this video.